Hey viewers, welcome to Tools Advisor. In this video we're going to check out 5 best drain cleaning machine you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, manufacturer's reputation, value for money and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best drain cleaning machine. For more information and updated price, please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome guide like this. So, without any delay let's get started. Our number 1 pick is Ridgid 52363 K400. This drain cleaning machine offered by Ridgid is powerful, well-built, and suitable for drain cleaners and plumbers. Users love the retractable handle for easy maneuvering, but some do note there is no auto feed. The Ridgid drain machine measures 36x36x36 and it features a sleek profile, a cart system of transport, a C32 and 3/8 inch x 75-foot integral wound solid core cable, which is ideal both for slop sinks and kitchen sinks, and a weight of 65 pounds. The package also includes Ridgid working gloves and a T260 toolset, which consists of T202 bulb auger, T205C cutter, T211 spade cutter, and a 13-pin key. Let's watch more.
The following is a video presentation on the proper use of the Ridgid K400 drain cleaning machine. The K400 drain cleaning machine is used to clean drain lines ranging from 1.5 inches to 4 inches in diameter up to 100 feet long, depending upon the cable used. The K400 is not designed to remove root blockages. The drum is belt-driven by a 1/3 horsepower electrical motor. An integral ground fault circuit interrupter is built into the line cord. A forward-off reverse switch controls drum and cable rotation. A pneumatic foot actuator provides on-off control for the motor. The cable is manually fed into and out of the drain. The cable control system consists of a torque limiter, which stops drum rotation when the tool stops rotating and the torque exceeds the set value. This helps to prevent cable damage from cable flip-over inside the drum. The torque limiter is designed to work with Ridgid 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch integral wound cable and may not protect other cable sizes and types. The solid core integral wound cable is durable and kink resistant. The cable includes a quick change coupling for attaching tools. Optional accessories include the auto feed and a front guide hose. The auto feed allows the cable to be advanced or retrieved at a rate of 18 feet per minute. The front guide hose is used with the auto feed to help protect fixtures and control the liquid and debris thrown off the cable as it is retrieved from the drain. For your convenience, this video is divided into the following segments so that you can quickly find what you need: machine assembly, machine inspection, machine and work area setup, operating instructions, using manual feed machine, using auto feed machine, technical service contact information. This video does not cover all of the information shown in the operator's manual and should not be used in place of reading and understanding the operator's manual. Areas not covered include safety symbols, general safety rules, specific safety information, description, specifications, and standard equipment, installing replacement cable, accessories, maintenance instructions, machine storage, service and repair, troubleshooting, wiring diagrams, warranty. Consult the operator's manual for this information. The operator's manual is presented in English, Spanish, and French. Warning: before assembling or operating the K400 drain cleaner, be sure to read and understand the instructions for all equipment being used. Failure to understand and follow the operator's manual and instructions may result in electrical shock, fire, and/or serious personal injury.
Our second best drain cleaning machine is Ridgid 58920 K50. The Ridgid cleaning machine measures 14x13x18 inches and it features a weight of 32 pounds, a 300W reversible motor which is great because it spins the cable with 400 RMP. Another great thing about this machine is that it's CSA approved and you can use the following section type drain cables: 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch and 5/8 inch diameter. However, be aware that they are not included in the package. Let's watch more about this product. Number 3 in our list is Hydrostar Electric Drain Cleaner. This electric drain cleaning machine offered by Pacific Hydrostar is affordable, easy to store, and well designed. Users love the 1/23 x 50 feet wire core cable that is tangle resistant, but some do note that it arrived broken. The Pacific Hydrostar Compact Drain Cleaner measures 13 1/43 x 17 1/43 x 21 1/43, and it features 4 interchangeable heads: a spade cutter, a boring bulb cutter, a 1 1/23 arrow cutter, a 1 1/43 C cutter, a durable steel frame, a 1/3 HP motor, and a weight of 76 pounds. Another great thing about this cleaner is that it features a sealed air-activated foot switch, and it has a built-in GFCI. This compact electric drainer is suitable for pipes from 13 ID to 43 ID. Our fourth pick is Cobra Kids 211332. This drain cleaning machine offered by Cobra is powerful, heavy-duty, and suitable for main drains, sewer lines, and root blocks. Users love the wheels for easy loading and unloading, but some do note that they have cable issues. The Cobra drain machine measures 31 x 24 x 36, and it features a 3/4 capacitor motor with a forward off-reverse switch, a manual thermal overload protector switch, a weight of 215 pounds, and a 3/4 inch x 1002 slotted end cable. Another great thing about this machine is that you can use it for cleaning 4 to 10-inch lines. Last in our list is Ridgid GIDDS 813341. This drain cleaning machine measures 10 x 17 x 11, and it features a single-phase motor which is CSA approved, aluminum paddles for 20% faster advance of the cable, a 30 feet of 1/4 inch cable, and a weight of 11 pounds. Another great thing about this machine is that it doesn't require too much setup, and there is on-off foot switch. Let's watch more about this product.
Bathroom sink clogged? Ridgid has you covered. The Ridgid Power Clear is the easy-to-use, on-hand drain cleaning solution for homes and businesses. The Ridgid Power Clear drain cleaning machine easily powers its way down 3/4 to 1.5 inch drains quickly to clear clogs with ease. The convenient auto feed lets you advance and retrieve cable without touching it, so there's no mess on your hands. Powerful, compact, and simple to use, the Ridgid Power Clear Drain Cleaner is the easy way to clear a clog. Shower filled up with water? The Ridgid Power Clear Drain Cleaner gets the clog cleared quickly and easily. It features a strong, durable cable to reach and clear obstacles up to 25 feet down the line that are out of the reach of other drain cleaning solutions. To clear drains without taking over your weekend. Bathtub not draining? The Ridgid Power Clear Drain Cleaner's durable 2-piece hose lets you get closer to the drain and keeps you and your work area clean. For a clear drain in no time. No matter what's to blame for clogging the pipe, the Ridgid Power Clear Drain Cleaning machine can help you clear it. It's convenient to transport and set up, does the job quickly and easily, keeps you and your work area clean, and clears the clog completely. Simple to use and compact enough to always keep on hand, the Ridgid Power Clear Drain Cleaning machine is the easy way to keep drains clear.